The internet is a very big place. Now, most of you will like customers to buy your products. In order to do that, you need to get their attention. And to get their attention, the easiest way to do it is to understand the customer journey. In this video, we're going to explain what it is and the different stages of it. So, we're starting right now. I'm Judy from Allihopa. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this channel, we give tips and tricks for new and not so new entrepreneurs to get the best out of their marketing budgets. And if you are at it, don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So right down to business. Customer journey. That sounds like a really marketing kind of word, but it really isn't. Think from the perspective of your consumer. We're going to build a communication that is completely focused on them. A customer journey is following the steps that your customer will follow in order to buy from you. Unless you're having a very cheap product that could be an impulse purchase in the internet, you might have to grab their attention. And to grab their attention, you're going to go through three main phases: awareness, consideration, and finally decision. So let's dive into each one of them. The first one is awareness. At some point or another, your customer is going to realize that they have a problem they want to solve. Well, if you have a problem, most of the times you start looking for solutions all over the place. You'll ask your network, you will Google it, you will try to research what is the main most important thing in order to solve that problem. And that is the first stage where you grab your customer. By giving them relevant information in relation to their problems, you are well on your way to grab that customer. See, the thing is, if you're thinking about their problem from your perspective, you're not gonna kind of get them. If you start thinking from their perspective, it's really easy to do so. So you think from the point of view of their goals and their challenges. And at that point in time, you're going to provide them with materials that will help them to solve their problem. Let's start with an example. So let's imagine that I wanted to capture more leads for my business and I want to think what is the best solution for me. At this point in time, I know that I have a problem. I need more leads into my business and I want to find a solution how to get those leads into your business. And there is an immense level of solutions out there, which is not ideal, because for me, understanding what my needs are might not be something that I have top of mind. Now, when I'm looking for more leads in my business, I will go and Google it, literally. So, what are the possibilities for me to acquire those leads? Let's imagine for a moment that you are an email company. And when I am researching how to get more leads, you come up with 10 different ways of getting more leads. And among of those 10 different ways will be email marketing, because it might not be relevant for me and my business, but it could. So you might as well add it in there. But because you're giving me value from the very beginning, I will have it in the back of my mind as the person that helped me get some idea of what I needed. Now, we get to phase number 2. I am in the same situation. I am looking for new leads for my business, and at this point in time, I have an array of solutions. So I need to do consideration. I need to think of all of this array of solutions that I have in front of me. What is the best solution for me and my business? And at that point in time, when we're talking about consideration, we have different options, and And from those options, you need to kind of think, hence the word consideration, what will be the most efficient solution for me. At this point in time, let's assume that I'm still in the same example. I'm having email marketing, I'm having Facebook ads, I'm having Google AdWords. So at that point will be the great moment to give me why that particular solution will be much better for my business than the other ones. And that's kind of what you want to communicate at this point in time. You know, you sort my problems, and now I'm deciding of all of those solutions that I have within my reach, which one will be the best. At that point in time, when I finish deciding which one is, and I'm going to decide email marketing in this particular example, but I could decide on different ones and try them. But let's stay with example. And we're getting into the third phase. The third phase is decision. If I have already decided that I want email marketing, why should I choose you as a provider? And that is the moment that you give me as a customer all of the reasons why your service is way better than other services or is bringing more value to my business. Whether it's pricing, whether it's service, whether it's support, whatever argument that you have, this is the moment to give them. Let's say in a way that this is the more salesy kind of place. In this point, it's very important that whatever reason you're giving me to choose you as a provider is again focused on my own needs and is focused on the needs of every single one of your customers. Because at that point in time, I'm really truly deciding which provider I want. So let's recap again. When we talk about a customer journey, we're talking about the steps that a customer needs to realize in order to buy from a particular provider. They are divided in three main stages, which is awareness, they know they have a problem; consideration, they knew they have a problem, now they have a bunch of solutions and they need to decide what is the best solution for them; and the third one, decision, when I get to decide what is the best provider for my needs. I hope this is helpful. If you want more tips or advice in any one of those things, please leave it in the comments below. We're always happy to answer any question that you have. If you want more videos like this, you will find them over here. If you want to subscribe to our channel, please do it over here. We're always very grateful. And you know how this goes. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and until next time, bye bye.